Hi everyone, it's Robin and I'm here with Nameless and I'm going to be doing a floral. So I started this design with a French and then a black tip. I added a little bit of green just for some extra dimension because I will put I have some champagne, sparkle green, and dark green all mixed together. And we have the baby here and she's eating, but she's not in a bad mood, so she won't be screaming too much. And if she is, I'll turn it off for you guys. Anyway, so I'm pushing and pulling up, and I should have some beginner tutorials for how to do leaves if I miss anything or you're confused or anything like that. But I am just pushing and pulling in the different colors like that. And if she quiets down, I'll come back and do another nail for you. Boop. Okay, so I'm going to try another one where it's a little bit more quiet. I'm going to push and pull, and just go through. And what happens is that the extra green that I added just adds a little bit of extra dimension and gives it a quality of layers. And see, I can take that green, oh, maybe I have too much light, there we go. That green that I have, and then just hit it. And see how it just kind of blends? That is what we're looking for. And I just want that there. Then I'm going to go in and get some lighter green going. And I'm going to change brushes. So I'll go like this and I'll meet you back. They don't have to be perfect, that first layer. Okay, so now I have my neon green. Well, it's kind of like a lime green. And I have my liner brush at robinmosesnailart.com. And I'm just putting little spikes in and layering the leaves. And if you want to learn more of these, I have more of these in my flower playlist, or just search Robin Moses Tropical and come up with a whole bunch of different really cool designs like this. But this is a design that you can create, that you can make a million different mistakes on, and that, like, we've been holding the baby. The baby's been screaming and laughing and stuff, and we've been singing, and I can hold her finger strong enough and paint this and not have to worry about messing up. You don't have to have a perfect design. So there's that. Then I go in with white, and these are all craft paints from Michael's or Walmart, but anywhere that you get craft paints. I'm going to go in and do a 3-pronged white flower using the most opaque white that I have. And I'm going to put in 1 or 2 flowers per, and then get out a yellow neon and a pink neon, and I will meet you back. Both craft paint. Okay, so I started out with a little bit of the neon yellow in the center, and then I'm going in with neon pink, and I'm just going centrally into that, just to add more color. Again, being perfect is secondary to getting it down and just kind of pushing it into the centers like this. If any of them are too yellow, then you go back in with a little bit of white and cap the ends with a little dots like this. And that will just spark them out a little bit like that. Really pops them. And then with orange, I'm going to go in and boom, and then boom, and boom, and boom. Oh my gosh, is a little tiny beautiful baby watching us? Oh, I think she's falling asleep on you. Oh my gosh.
She'll fall asleep with her head in my hand.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's like I'm painting and watching a baby fall asleep with her head in Nameless's hand. It's the sweetest little thing I ever saw. She's such a good girl. Every time you look at her, she just smiles. But she's verbal. That's all. Okay. So that's that. I'll meet you back with the top coat. Okay, now here is the end result. I put a matte top coat on, and I'm going to zoom in. I didn't realize how low the light was, but we had the baby in here, and so I wasn't paying attention to lights. And if it is a dark video, I will do my best to change it, but sorry. I hope that it was informational, and if you try them and use these techniques, show me. And shout me out on Instagram and Inspired by Robin Moses, and brushes, robinmosesnailart.com. And I will see you guys back with more. These are so pretty, Nameless. Look. Boom.
Yeah, buddy.
They are. They're pretty.
Aw.
They're so layered, and that extra little swipe of green, it made a difference. So anyways, okay, bye guys. Everybody have a great night. This will be in the flower playlist. Bye.